Boost your libido with these amazing African recipes. Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my libido with some incredible African recipes. Let's see if these dishes really work. In this video, you will discover how traditional African recipes can help increase libido and improve overall sexual wellness, setting the stage for a more passionate lifestyle. Many people struggle with low libido and often turn to supplements or medications without considering natural food alternatives that can enhance sexual health. In fact, a lot of us overlook the importance of diet when it comes to our sexual well-being, often focusing on the latest products or gimmicks instead. But what if I told you that some of the most effective libido boosters are right in your kitchen? African cuisine, in particular, is packed with ingredients that have been used for centuries to improve sexual performance and overall health. From hearty stews to flavorful stir-fryers, these dishes are not only delicious, but also have incredible benefits for your love life. And the best parts, you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet without breaking the bank or resorting to fancy supplements. While many of us may not be familiar with these recipes, they are actually quite simple to make and require minimal ingredients. Plus, they are so much fun to experiment with, especially if you are looking to spice up your cooking routine. Whether you are looking to reignite the spark in your relationship or simply improve your overall health, these African recipes are definitely worth the try. One of the biggest advantages of using foods to boost libido is that it is a natural and sustainable approach, rather than relying on quick fixes or chemical-laden products. You can nourish your body with whole foods that provide long-term benefits. From cooking and sharing meals with loved ones. Plus, cooking and sharing meals with loved ones can be a great way to bond and create intimacy, which is essential for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Let's start with a classical West African dish called jollof rice, which is packed with vitamins and minerals that support sexual health. One of the ingredients in jollof rice is tomatoes, which are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for men, as it can help improve erectile dysfunction and overall sexual performance. Next is a flavorful stir fry from East Africa called sukuma wiki, which is made with collard greens and spices. Collard greens are an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that is essential for healthy sperm production and sexual function. Plus, the spices used in sukuma wiki, such as cayenne pepper and ginger, have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve overall circulation and reduce stress. We will also be making a healthy stew from North Africa called chakuka, which is packed with vitamins and minerals that support sexual health. One of the ingredients in chakucha is bell peppers, which are high in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for healthy sperm production. Plus, the spices used in chakucha, such as cumin and coriander, have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve overall circulation and reduce stress. And finally, we'll be making a delicious dessert from Southern Africa called mava pudding, which is made with apricot jam and spices. Apricot jam is a natural source of borin, a mineral that is essential for healthy testosterone production and sexual function. Plus, the spices used in mava pudding, such as cinnamon and nutmeg, have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve overall circulation and reduce stress. But which one takes the cake? In my opinion, it is got to be suya, a popular Nigerian dish made with marinated meat and spices. Suya is packed with ingredients that support sexual health, including protein-rich meats, vitamin-rich peppers, and spices that improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Plus, the marinade used in suya contains ginger and garlic, which are natural aphrodisiacs that can help improve libido and overall sexual function. What I love about suya is that it is so easy to make and customize to your taste. You can use chicken, beef, or even tofu for a vegetarian option. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, suya is a dish that is meant to be shared with others. So it is perfect for a romantic dinner or a fun night with friends. In this video, we covered 5 delicious African recipes that are packed with ingredients that support sexual health. From jollof rice to suya, these dishes are not only delicious but also have incredible benefits for your love life. By incorporating these recipes into your daily diet, you can improve your overall sexual health and well-being, and even reignite the spark in your relationship. So which of these recipes are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about your experiences and see how you customize these dishes to your taste. If you want more health tips, delicious recipes, and relationships tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I have got a ton of content coming up that you won't want to miss. Catch you in my next video.